Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event, which starts this Friday, March the 4th and runs through Sunday, March the 6th. So in this video, it is cram-packed full of visuals and coupon matchups, and this is only part 1. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so before we get into the visuals and awesome coupon matchups, I wanted to go over a couple of things really quickly. So if this is your first time participating in a Dollar General clearance event, or if you have questions about DG clearance events, I have an awesome video that I'm going to have linked in the pinned comment down below, and it goes over every single thing that you need to know about a Dollar General clearance event. And I also wanted to point out that we just had a Dollar General clearance event back in January. So that is good news for us because all of those items that were included in January's clearance event will also be included in this month's March clearance event. So right before the clearance event happened in January, I ended up making a total of 3 videos with the clearance event list, visuals, and coupon matchups. During that clearance event, I think we ended up with a total of 10 or 11 pages of items. So there are tons and tons and tons of visuals packed into those videos. So the good news is all of those items that were included in the January clearance event will be included in this March clearance event. So you guys definitely need to go back and re-watch those videos or watch them for the first time if you've never seen them before, because they are jam-packed full of awesome deals that y'all need to know about. Now, there's a lot of coupon matchups in those videos, but obviously by now a lot of those have expired. So that brings me to the new clearance event videos, which I will be releasing all week long. So obviously you guys are watching part 1 right now. Part 2 is going to be out tomorrow, which is Thursday. And if I have a part 3, which I don't know if that's going to happen yet or not, but if there is a part 3, it will come out Thursday evening or at the very latest, super early Friday morning. So y'all need to be on the lookout for part 2 and part 3. So with these new videos, basically what I've done is I went through and I added all of the new visuals that Dollar General added to the clearance markdown list. Plus, I went back to our older list and I found all of the new coupon matchups that we have available right now. And that is digital coupons plus insert coupons. So you definitely want to go back and check out those January videos, and I'm going to have all of those linked in the pinned comment down below. But keep in mind that we do have new coupon matchups, and you guys are going to have all of that information in the videos that I'm bringing to you this week. Alright guys, so like I said before, this Dollar General clearance event will begin on Friday, March the 4th and run through Sunday, March the 6th. Now, what is going to be included in this clearance event? Well, good news. We have POG clearance tags, which are my favorite and the most important part of my Dollar General clearance videos. Plus, we have the clearance section. We also have winter wear, so be on the lookout for those toboggans and gloves. We also have blue and gray dot fall and winter apparel, shoes, and accessories. We have select as seen on TV products, holiday plastics, and select antibacterial wipes and hand sanitizers. Now, all of these items will be an additional 50% off beginning on Friday and running through Sunday, but select stores will be an additional 70% off. Now, one of the number one questions that I always get is, how do we find those 70% off stores? Well, there's 2 easy ways of doing it. I do talk about this in the Everything That You Need to Know About DG Clearance Events videos, which, like I said, is linked in the pinned comment down below. But I'll go ahead and give y'all a heads up on this question because I know a lot of you all are curious. So, the first way that you can find out is to go into your stores and ask the employees. This isn't like penny shopping where you have to keep it a secret. Just say, hey, I heard there's a clearance event this weekend. Is this store going to be 50% off or 70% off? Now, I do talk about this more in depth in the Everything That You Need to Know video because sometimes the employees don't know. Sometimes they have no idea what a clearance event is and they have no idea that it's going on, which can be good news for you. But anyways, go back and check out that video if you haven't already. So the second way that you can find out is that you can take a UPC code and put it into your Dollar General app on Friday morning, and you can see if that store is 50% off or 70% off of that original price. So I'm going to leave you guys a UPC code down in the pinned comment below so that you'll have that ready to go. And that's going to be for the first item that you're going to see in this video, which are some antibacterial wipes. Alright, so here we have the Wipeout antibacterial wipes. These are currently $2.95, but on Friday, they're going to be an additional 50% off, making those $1.47. But if your store is an additional 70% off, they're going to be even lower than that. Now, when you type that into the Dollar General app, you can then change your store location so you can tell the stores around you whether they're 50% off or 70% off. Alright guys, so I have cram-packed this video full of slides so that y'all can take screenshots, and if you need to speed it up or slow it down, you can click the 3 little dots in the right hand corner of your screen, then click playback speed, and then you can speed it up or slow it down to your liking. Now, just like in January's videos, I'm going to let these slides run, and I'm going to turn on some music for y'all, and I'll pop in and out as I feel like I need to come back and explain anything or give you guys more information. But before I do that, I do want to say we are now watching the little food category run through, and a lot of these items are included in the dollar aisle, so you definitely want to go and check out your dollar section during this clearance event. Alright guys, so here is a really good coupon matchup, and I just wanted to point this out because some of the coupon matchups that you're going to see in these videos, I'm actually going to show you a slide with the item, and then the second slide that you see will be the coupon matchup and the breakdown. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Quaker Instant Oatmeals, they're going to be $1.80 for 2. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 20 cents in overage. Alright guys, so the next few items that you're going to see on your screen, these are for home stores or aka NCI stores. So be on the lookout for those green clover candles. Those are going to be a really great deal. We also have some glassware, some dishes, so some really good items that you can find at your home stores for an additional 50% off during this clearance event. Alright guys, so I'm sure a lot of y'all remember during the last clearance event we had a ton of Irish Spring body wash that was included in the clearance event. And good news, it is also going to be included in this clearance event. And even better news, this time around we do have instant savings. So if you pick up $10 worth of the Irish Spring body wash, you're going to instantly save $3, and we do have some insert coupons that we can pair along with that deal. So if you guys want to take advantage of these extra savings, here's an awesome deal. You can pick up 6 of the Irish Spring body washes. That's going to put you at $10.80. $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and at Dollar General you can use up to 5 like coupons. So you can use 5 one-off-one insert coupons that come in the February 20 Smart Source. That's going to leave you paying $2.80 for all 6, making those just 46 cents each. And I just want to point out that we do have soft soap and other brands that are going to be included in instant savings deals. So you can definitely mix and match and come up with your own deals. It just depends on what your store has available. Alright guys, so for the past few slides, y'all have been seeing Febreze products, and we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, but I also wanted to remind you guys that we do have buy one get one free insert coupons in the March PNG insert. Now, we are about to scroll through some Glade products, and we also have a 1-off-1 Glade digital coupon, and we also have a 1-off-1 insert coupon that came in the February 22nd Smart Source. Alright guys, so there you have it for our Dollar General clearance event video part 1. Now, you want to make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload part 2, because part 2 is going to be even sweeter with tons of more deals, tons of more coupon matchups. We've got freebies and overages coming up, so you definitely do not want to miss out on watching part 2. And like I said at the beginning of the video, you definitely want to check out the pinned comment right below this video for more information, and go check out those January videos for sure, because you don't want to miss out on any deals. And all of those visuals, the more that you see them, the more you will be able to spot them when you're in the store. Because let's face it, a lot of those stores and a lot of the employees don't have time to go through and mark all of those POG clearance items. And you guys want to be as prepared as possible, right? And I know I heard from several of you all during the last clearance event, some of the biggest hauls come from unmarked stores. So as long as you guys know what's on the list and what to look for, you guys will be successful during this Dollar General clearance event. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on part 2. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I've got a little bit more work to do on part 2, and I will see you all on the next one.